foodies, welcome back to Parveen Cuisine, where the spices are bold, the flavors are rich, and the jokes, well, they're as layered as this biryani we're about to make. Today we're diving into the royal world of Saffron Hyderabadi Chicken Biryani, a dish so good it could turn your kitchen into a palace. So let's get started before I eat all the fried onions. First up, we're marinating the chicken. You want to grab your bowl and add chicken, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, lemon juice, fried onions, ginger garlic green chili paste, and curd. Massage it in like you're giving the chicken a spa day. Let it soak up all the love and spices because nobody likes bland chicken, right? Now, let's talk about the rice. In a big pot, you're going to boil some water and throw in salt, cardamom, cinnamon, star anise, clove, big cardamom, and green chilies. This is the aromatic bath your rice deserves. Now, let's move to the casserole. You're going to heat some oil and toss in chopped onions, green chilies, mint, and coriander. Saute until the onions turn translucent. While the chicken's doing its thing, you're gonna add your washed basmati rice to the boiling water. Long grain basmati rice only, please. We're fancy here. Let it cook until it's about 70%. Now for the star of the show, the Jhol. In a small saucepan, you're gonna melt butter and add saffron, milk, cream, rose water, kewra water, and a pinch of orange food color. This Jhol is basically edible luxury. If this doesn't impress your guests, nothing will. Alright, let's assemble this masterpiece now. Place the casserole pot over a tawa to avoid burning. Start with a layer of the chicken, then add a layer of rice. Drizzle the Jhol, sprinkle fried onions, green chilies, and coriander. Repeat the layering process like you're building the tastiest lasagna of your life. Seal the lid with dough to trap all the biryani magic, and yes, this step is non-negotiable. No shortcuts, please. After cooking on low heat, it's time to unveil the biryani. Drum roll, please. Look at that. Layers of perfectly cooked rice, juicy chicken, and those pops of saffron. This is all a work of art. Royalty on a plate. If this biryani doesn't make you feel like a king or queen, I know what will. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another recipe. Try this biryani at home and let me know if it made you feel like royalty. Until next time, so keep cooking and keep slaying. Bye!